What's up, everybody? Welcome into our Friday video. You know us by now. No introduction needed, but we do have two really big announcements. We're gonna have a discount code, exclusive YouTube-only discount code. You can share with your friends if you want, but we're not gonna announce this code on Instagram or Facebook or Russell's TikTok account. This is exclusive announcement on the YouTube, and that is the benefit of liking, subscribing, whatever you do on YouTube to get exclusive discounts.
Yeah, and what better way to come back? It's been a minute. Me and Tom were like, man, we miss the YouTube fam, our efriends. They're probably wondering where we're at, if we're safe.
We are safe. We've been super busy. We had inventory prep. We had actual inventory.
Yeah.
And Thanksgiving happened, and the mega sale that we had. That was like an extended Black Friday. It was a week of Black Fridays.
So
unheard of.
Week of chaos.
Yes. Week of
chaos. Our shipping guy is, I've seen him in the back. He's working on a letter. I think it's a resignation.
Yes. The other important announcement I wanted to make is this is December 1st. So if you're planning on getting some goodies in time for Christmas, you really need to start thinking about it now, if not having your list ready. And that kind of meshes with that discount code because you're going to save a ton of money.
Yeah, so encourage you to spring for it now.
Plan ahead because everybody's under the impression that every single item on the website is in stock, ready to go. That's not the case, especially right now.
Yeah.
After the Black Friday week sell-a-thon.
We had so much stuff coming off the East Coast. It's wild how much stuff. Memphis, Tennessee has been coming through for us.
Yeah, and that stuff takes about 10 business days to get in, plus time on top to get it from us to you. So if you want to get Christmas goodies while they're available, now's the time to do it.
Let's jump into it.
Speaking of Christmas goodies, we talked about this before in a video. This is the GTR Owner's Manual, I don't know,
Portfolio.
I like that. I like portfolio.
Man.
It's originally intended to put in your owner's manual. It's got this kind of cool carbon print.
Yeah.
Carbon fiber print. Carbon print. Carbon print. Look to it. It's got the GTR logo sewn on there. Multiple pockets for ID, insurance paperwork. Such and such. More pockets inside, big one for your owner's manual or your journal, diary, plans for world domination. And there's even a little sleeve here for you to keep your pen safe.
Yeah.
So this is awesome. We all bought multiples of these for ourselves.
How many times have you been in your car and you needed a pen and there was nowhere to be found? You take one of them cheap big pens you stole from the bank, throw it in there, and then boom, it's always there. Will you remember it's there? Probably not.
I bought 5 of these.
It'll be there. 5?
5, yes. I've got one in my driver's seat, passenger seat, rear passenger, and then one for the glove box. You can never have too many of these, and they're priced to go. So jump on them.
They are. They're cool. KA24DE owners, lovers, fanatics, fans, everything under the sun.
The KA Nation, as I like to call it.
KA Nation. Let's talk about your oil pump. Now, haggled for years on Instagram. People like to throw darts at us. Can't get an oil pump. If you just get me an oil pump, I'll be happy. Can't do it.
Right.
But I can get you a bunch of parts that make that oil pump feel a little bit better about itself. Regulator valve set. If you are Instagram follower, you might have seen this. I posted this up along with the rear cover. It's got the valve, the spring, the little bolt, plug, whatever you want to call this thing, washers, all that good stuff. And then you've got the front seal for the pump, the collar, and you got that cool little gear, the O-ring.
I used to know what this style of gear was called.
Yeah, what is this? I know somebody here knows. And then the oil pickup gasket. We have, and the RTV. There's so much stuff I can't even remember what all, even though it's right in front of me.
That's a good kit you put together, Russell.
Well, it's Tom's idea.
But you executed it.
Effort. But we got this kit. So if you are going to be tearing down your KA in the foreseeable future, want to rebuild it, or if you just want to snag these parts up and keep them in storage for when you're ready, this is a great kit that'll help you accomplish all that. Are you having fun over there?
It's, it only fits in there one way, and it's not the way I'm trying to put it together.
If you are looking for a fidget, this is the one.
Yes.
Just buy the gear. I actually had a little bit of a scare. We had some issues on our website where a lot of parts were being marked as discontinued that weren't discontinued. It has been resolved, but that gear was one of them.
Really?
And I was fully stressed out about it.
Huh.
Because it bummed me. I was like, man, that's used in a lot of cars.
I like to check up on that every once in a while to see what is marked as discontinued, but we can get all of a sudden.
Yeah. So
okay, very close
that
tolerances.
issue.
That's why it does just fall together.
Yeah. So if you see something on the website that you were going to buy yesterday and today it's not available, email us, let us know, because sometimes we have some cataloging errors that need to be corrected.
All right, let us talk now about a JDM part for the Z32 brethren and sisterin. We ordered in, or actually I should say I ordered in a pair of JDM Z32 fenders, and then there was confusion with the customer on whether we'd be able to get them in time for the car to go into paint, and then they changed their mind on them. So we have these fenders and we're gonna blow them out super duper low price. The shipping, nationwide shipping, it's a little bit spendy, but it comes in a huge box. There's no way these things are gonna get damaged. You will have to order them separately, left and right side on 2 separate orders. Otherwise, the website's gonna get confused about the shipping amount and I'll have to refund it. Nationwide shipping per fender is $230, which isn't that bad when you consider the discount we're gonna give you on the actual part.
Yeah, so
whether you live in California or Florida,
yeah,
$230 shipping.
So Tom's gonna have a discount code for you guys. I have a giveaway.
Nice.
All you gotta do is get in the comment section of this video. Make sure you are a subscriber to our channel. We will verify you. All you gotta do is comment, what do you want for your Nissan?
For Christmas.
Do y'all hear this noises behind us?
Somebody's trying to get in through this concrete wall.
I can't hardly think because of it. I got some Sony wireless earbuds. Gonna send them straight to you. And obviously if we're sending you stuff, we're gonna send you a sticker pack.
So just leave a comment of what you want to get for yourself, Nissan related.
Yeah.
Or your car.
Yeah.
For Christmas.
If you want a Frontier Pro 4X for Christmas, if that's what you're wanting, if that's what you're asking for and betting on this year, tell us.
Put it out there in the universe, and the universe will provide.
I don't blame you. I want one for Christmas too.
It's manifestation. Listen, if you don't win, we'll pick 2 winners.
2 winners, all right.
If the first prize winner will get the earbuds.
Yep.
What brand are those?
Sony.
Sony, so you know they're good. They're not going to sound like somebody blowing a kazoo in your ear.
Yeah.
The backup prize is a can of Amy's Organic Lentil Vegetable Soup, which I have signed.
Yes.
And we'll put Russell's signature on there too.
Yeah.
So second place prize winner is going to get this can of soup from my work pantry. This is what I eat on the regular.
This video is not sponsored by Sony or Amy's.
No, it's sponsored by Bruce Titus.
Yeah.
And us as his mouthpiece. So I think that's it, except for the discount code.
Discount code. And what, I mean, if you guys had to guess, I mean, December 1st, it's that time of the year. What else would it be?
It's something we've all been waiting for 11 months.
Everybody has.
Discount code, which is a 1-week only discount code exclusive to YouTube.
Yes.
Mariah Carey.
America's sweetheart.
She is, and forever will be.
That's her next album's coming out. You heard it here, people.
I like Mariah Carey.
I mean, yeah. We missed y'all.
Come back and see us real soon. We've got more stuff. Oh, that's what I forgot about. If you like our What the Truck Wednesday videos, you're going to want to see this upcoming video. If you think this is cool, wait until you see what I have for the D21 Frontier Xterra Pathfinder crew.
I don't even know what it is.
You don't?
I don't.
I found these and they're amazing.
I love it. It's always fun.
Come back and see us. Have a great weekend. Use the discount code Mariah Carey. Sales are not retroactive. Please don't get on my nerves that way. I love you, but don't. And we'll see you soon.
Peace.